Dumpster Rental, Tipton, Indiana. Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Tipton, Indiana? Dumpstars Indiana is your top choice. We offer a range of dumpster rental options to make waste management easy and efficient for any project. At Dumpstars Indiana, we provide dumpster rental in Tipton, Indiana for residential and commercial projects. Whether you're clearing out your home, tackling a renovation, or managing a construction site, we have the perfect solution. Our friendly team ensures prompt delivery and pickup, so you never have to worry about delays. We're dedicated to keeping your project on schedule by offering flexible rental periods to fit your timeline. With Dumpstars Indiana, renting a dumpster is stress-free. Our team is here to help you choose the best dumpster for your specific needs, whether a small cleanout or a large construction job. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service, handling every detail efficiently. Have questions? We're just a phone call away to help with any concerns. For fast and reliable dumpster rental in Tipton, Indiana, contact Dumpstars Indiana at 765-419-7884 today. Our team is ready to assist. Let us take the hassle out of waste management. At Dumpstars Indiana, we make your cleanup projects easier, one dumpster at a time.